Hey guys, my name is Darnita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. Today we're going to dive into something a little bit different. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, okay? We're going to be right back. So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel. You guys, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm reviewing two Sensationnel units on my channel. I'm not going to go through me installing the wig. I have done that a lot on this channel, so I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I'm just going to go over the specs for each unit and then we're going to wrap up the video, okay? But thank you, Sensationnel, for kindly sending me this unit. It's from their Butta lace collection, human hair and premium fiber blend. It's in the style loose beach wave 28 inches, and it's in the color Blayage chocolate. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. This is what the middle of the stock card is looking like, the beautiful model. It comes in other specialty colors, and it shows you a picture of the normal lace and their Butta lace and how it's different. It's a virtually HD lace, undetectable. It's human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, blends with most skin tones, ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand type parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. I did go in with my Fenty foundation. It's in a powder form underneath the lace. I just wiped it on there. I put the lace on my head. I cut it jagged along the hairline. It's a little bit back behind my hairline because that's how my hairline is. I put out a little bit of my edges. I darkened in the lace with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette in the dark brown along the hairline, just so it can look like it's coming out of my scalp. And that was it, y'all. It was easy peasy, okay? And this is what the unit is looking like. Here's the length. Here's the back of the unit. It's very pretty. I will say it is big hit friendly. As far as tangling and shedding, I feel like there's minimal shedding. There's a little bit of tangling at the very ends, and I think it's because of the length. But yeah, very minimal. It does have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. As far as density, I feel like it does have a nice amount of thickness to it. As far as texture, it's more on the yucky straight side. It's not really a textured wig, but it feels, you know, it doesn't feel silky, so it's more like on the yucky dry. But again, it's a human hair and premium fiber blend, so it does feel more natural. It's not like extremely soft, but yeah, y'all, I am loving this unit. I am loving this color, the face framing, the beach waves are very beautiful. So let me know what y'all think, and we gonna get into the second unit, okay? So I'm back with another unit from Sensationnel. It's from their Butta lace collection. It is the Butta unit 36. I got it in the color Blayage gold. It has wider parting and ear to ear lace, and this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. These are the other colors that they come in. So it's a virtually undetectable HD lace. It blends in with most skin tones. It's ear to ear with a 5-inch deep hand type parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, and natural hairline density. And as far as density, I will say it does have a nice amount of thickness. So here you go. And yeah. But yes, this is what the unit is looking like. It is definitely gorgeous. Definitely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm loving it. So it is big hair friendly. It does have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. As far as tangling and shedding, I have not experienced any yet. The hair texture is giving yaki vibes. It's not really like textured, it's yaki curled and straight, you know, obviously. But yes, they did an amazing job on the coloring. Sorry y'all if my camera's moving around. And yeah, it has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. And this unit is very, very pretty. The only thing that I did was that underneath I put my Fenty foundation, the powder, I put the lace on, I cut it along my hairline. I did go in with my Nairobi foam setting along the hairline just so it could melt a little bit better, because the combs are more on the side versus up here. So I wanted it to be glueless. I cut the lace as close to the edge as possible. I didn't leave any baby hairs because my natural baby hairs are poking out. And then along the hairline, I went with my Juvia Place Chocolates palette along the hairline to blend in with my hair, my natural hairline. And that was it, y'all. That was it. This unit is giving life. I'm loving the face frame. I'm loving the curls. I'm loving the highlights. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you, Sensational, for kindly sending me both of those units, and thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. I will see you guys next time.